Hey everyone, I'm Justina Fahmy. I work for ICES Education at Washington Elementary School. And today I'll be showing you how to make this butterfly ring. And those are all you're gonna need. All you need is one black and two colors of your choice. First, I'll take my two colors and twist them in the middle. Just a little bit. Then put it under my finger and twist it once more. After that, I'll separate them from each other. And then I'll start rolling them down. After done rolling those two, I'll roll the other two. This is what it should look like. After that, I'm gonna take it and shape it a little bit. Now, I'll take the black and put it from the back and go around like that and then twist it from the top. This is what it should look like. After that, I'm gonna get a scissor and cut it. And then I'll curl the black ones a little bit. And this is what it should look like.